What's up, YouTube? This is Randos Tech from TechInform.us, and we're here with my favorite operating system today, Windows 7. This is actually Windows 7 pre-Service Pack 1. I'm aware that the Service Pack was released yesterday, and it's actually running in the other user account that I have open right now. I did the switch user feature to get over here. It's been around since XP. So, you know, that's just going around in the background. But totally off topic, I guess. But today's video is actually about little Windows problem that I've had for a while, and I've gotten to the point where when a problem comes up and there is no rational solution, I'd like to point it out and make it evident and see if there's something I'm doing wrong. Because when I talk about how much I don't like Windows, people come around and say, "Oh, you don't know how to use it. You're doing it wrong. You're on bad hardware." Well, I'd like to show you that I'm really not. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad. Granted, it's fairly old now. It's about 3 years old. It's got an Intel Core Duo. It's 2 gigahertz. It's a dual core. We've got 4 gigs of RAM, 2.99 usable. Since this is only 32-bit Windows, like, what the hell is this? Do you want to change the color scheme to improve performance? So it's realized that it's slow, and it's telling me that if I go to Windows 7 Basic, it will be faster. Well, that's an annoyance. No, I don't want to do that, so I close it. The computer is not what I would call old and slow. The disk rate's a 4.4. That's pretty good. Graphics are slow compared to today's standards. It's just Intel HD crap, but it should be pretty usable. Now, I'm logged into the administrative account. You do that by going into your regular Windows account, which you have as a quote-unquote administrator, but it actually isn't. If you go into MMC, which looks something like this, Start Run MMC, this is going to bring you into a console here when it loads. You go up here, and you're going to add it or remove a snap-in. I used to spend a lot of time in Windows. I know far more about Windows than I do OS X. You come down here, you remove your local users and groups snap-in, finish, and OK. And here we are. From here, you're going to go to Users, and there's your administrative account. Usually, this account is disabled. If you do right-hand click Properties, click on, it would be that account is disabled is normally, and it's their default option that's checked. Well, uncheck it. This is going to enable your user account. From here, I'll add that you can also come in here and do something like set password if you're an administrator. Proceed, and now I can change the password of my account to whatever I want. I actually do need to update that. So I'll just change it here. This is my password that I use for Windows. There we go. We click OK, and it never tells the other user. It just changes it. It's a forced change, logged in as administrator. So I enabled this account that I'm logged into, and I logged into it. This is the hardcore administrative Windows account. This account should have all access to do absolutely anything. So we come into Explore. And there's a file, a program that I had a long time ago that made this folder. I love how Windows names stuff for the public, so you see this. It's just incredible how user-friendly it is. D5A174120. Uh-oh. No, thanks. We're going to start that over. D5A17412024CBB01B08FFA10B962. Because that means something, right? We all know what that means. And this was created the day before my birthday, about a year and a half, actually 2 years ago, or 1 year ago, before my birthday, 12/17/2009. The application associated with this file is long gone, and the application didn't delete this folder. We come in here, we see AMD64. You don't have permission to access this folder. I'm an administrator. I should have permission to do whatever the hell I want. So you click on Continue. You have been denied. So the administrator is denied. Let's try the i386 folder. That reminds me of Windows XP. So we come in here, same story. The all-powerful administrator does not have access to go in there. Here's what I've been trying to do for a long time. Delete. I do not want this folder. Are you sure you want to remove? Are you sure you want to move it to the recycle bin? Yes, I am very positive. I need permission to do that. This requires permission from me to make that happen. It happens on my account, and it happens on this administrative account. Really? Really? Windows does not even know its own privileges here. That is archaic that an operating system is this far behind anything else. Ubuntu has better performance like this. It's read-only. That should have no effect. We come over here, and look, I bet we can't even change that. Apply it to everything. There we go. And there we go. Access is denied. So we come over here and we try to get our we try to force our privileges out of it. We'll come over to security, and we want to do administrator because that's where we are right now. So we're going to go edit, full control there, full control there. Let's give this full control for the hell of it. Okay, access is denied. I can't give myself full control. Does this make sense to anybody? All of you Windows fans out there that says Macs are for the basic users. What's going on? Why can't you figure out how to do this? Well, look. How can you stand to use an operating system that's really, honestly, this bad? I mean, Windows has its place, but it sure as hell isn't for anybody that actually wants to be productive on a computer. I mean, look at this. Everything here is full permission. You have full permission to edit this. And we come over and we give the administrator full permission, which it accepts in this place. It will give you full permission here. Change permissions, administrators, edit. There we go. Full control is allowed. Click OK. And OK, and OK, because Windows likes to open many different pages, and delete, but nope, I don't have permission to do that. So from here, I could go and get a file shredder and probably hack my way through removing this file. And then it gets to the point, is it even worth it to remove it? It's not that big. It's not taking up disk space that I need. So is it that big of a deal? No. But I should be able to do whatever I want from this account. I'm in here, administrator. We'll come over. It says this is an owner. I'm going to change the owner to me. Well, I am the owner. Okay. Okay. I own this file. I can do it. I can abuse it. I can throw it out the window, which I'm about to do with this machine, but it won't. So it looks like these two files are stuck in here. Good thing is it's not a big file. For the record, it is only... Let's see how big it actually is. 0 bytes. And you know what? That makes it sound like it's not even there. But you refresh and refresh and refresh, and it's definitely there. But, you know, that's just the way I can sum up Windows. It looks great on paper. Everything should work wonderfully. But then you actually put it on a computer, and it's pretty much absolute garbage. So if anybody has any ideas how to get rid of that, let me know, and I'll try them. It's not that big of a deal, but it's just ridiculous how far behind a lot of aspects in Windows are compared to... definitely not a superior operating system, but a significantly better operating system, Mac OS X.